Okay, this is a video of a relatively straightforward ferry with a turbulent eddy line on the far side. I'm going to talk about using carving in the eddy to generate momentum to leave the eddy. So here what we'll have is a quick start to carve to my offside. Notice I'm paddling left, but I need to point my boat further upstream to my right. So to carve on my offside, I'm going to start with a cross forward on my offside, followed by 2 or more onside strokes, and then switch to carving on my onside to sneak up on the eddy line. Once I'm fully engaged in the current, here I have a flat tilt because I'm using a wave trough, I can switch to my onside. And I really don't start to change my angle to the downstream until I engage a tilt. So here my boat is flat, my bow is hanging out over the wave trough. Notice the air under my bow there. That is reducing the leverage that the current has on my pivot point. Both my stern and my bow just forward of my knees are effectively pinned by waves with reduced pressure on the bow. Because of that, I can have a flat tilt. And then when I'm ready to peel out or make a more aggressive ferry, I drop my left knee and notice that that starts to push my canoe out into the ferry. I'm doing that at the same time that I'm creeping forward on the wave trough. That's some gentle onside forward here to help with that. That then engages my bow. There's now a lot more current pressure from upstream because my bow is plugged deep into the water. At that point, when I drop that edge and engage the bow, I shift my gaze from forward to gauge my angle and watching my near distance in terms of my position on the wave to starting to target my destination. That'll also open my chest up towards the move that I'm making. Notice that right now my blade is behind my hip, but my shoulder is in a position of strength. In this move here, or this part of the move here, I'm using a stern pry, both for stability to maintain the tilt coming across that wave so my canoe doesn't fill up too much, but also because I don't need more upriver position here. So slowing my hull speed just slightly so I don't overshoot my move. And then as I start to understand how much more swing I need, I slice my stern pry forward to a bow draw there. Notice my change in tilt also. I've flattened my tilt, effectively engaging my upstream edge here. That's going to help swing my bow downstream.